guys, welcome to today's video. So this video is going to be a little bit different. I know I haven't uploaded in a couple of weeks, and there's just been a lot going on with the car, everything that has happened since I got the swap in and got it running and all that, and just a lot going on in general. So I'm going to kind of give you guys an update on everything that has happened in the last couple of weeks in this video. So we're going to kind of go over when I got the SR running, the little issues that it had after we got it running, and taking it to Sonoma Raceway for a shakedown drift event that we did. We're going to condense all that into today's video, which will kind of get everyone up to speed with where we're at. Okay, here we go. Fuel pump on. SR20 Evan over here, giving Doug a run for his money. So Evan figured out that the timing is still a little bit off as much as we kind of tried to get it dialed in. All right, next attempt, here we go. So this was the first time that we tried to get the car running with Evan's help. He ended up coming over a second time after this and dialing in the timing even more, and that's when it actually started running and idling. Okay. Ready? Evan's the man. There you go. That's it. So after we got the car actually idling and running, I street drove it a little bit here and there just around the neighborhood, and we ended up finding an oil leak coming right out of the oil feed line, the high pressure line. So we had to take the turbo off, redo the line on there, and it actually sealed up perfectly after that. Very tight spaces here, guys. Oh, God!
That's 2 in a row.
It's been a long day.
Oh, yeah, that is.
Woo! Congratulations, it's a boy.
Oh, I knew it was out of that pressure line.
See. Oh, shit. Yep.
I mean, it was tight.
Yep, I tightened it down. That should thread right in.
Oh, yeah.
Bam, she's
Bye.
money. Good and tight?
She's good and tight.
You sure?
Good and tight.
No, don't do it anymore.
I can keep going.
No. All right. Line's going back on. No leaky boys. All right, guys, we got the new line on. Well, same line. Actually, it's all the same everything, but we just got it into here.
Well, yeah. I mean, the only thing that's new is the little gasket in here.
Yeah, so new gasket.
That's about all we did that's new. Everything else
Everything else is the same. So once I got the turbo back on and just got everything back together, we had the Sonoma drift night like 2 nights after that, I think. So then I basically had to prepare for that. I had to fix just a couple little things, the oil pressure sensor, replacing that, and just kind of doing a bolt check on the car, and then mounting tires and all that. All right, it is Wednesday morning. We are gonna go drifting tonight. Sonoma Raceway does Wednesday night drifting, and it's from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's all gonna be singles because I don't have a cage, so no tandems, but it's gonna be a really good opportunity for me to test the SR out. So basically we got a lot to do before we can leave though. Alright, so we made it to Sonoma. I got the car teched, I started driving, and I really only made it basically these 2 laps that I'm showing you guys. I ended up having my high pressure power steering line blow out, and there's just not really any way to fix it. So I tried to drive a couple more laps, but I pretty much had no power steering and fluid was everywhere. So got a decent shakedown though. The car felt pretty good otherwise. And basically after this, I bought a new line and started preparing the car to take up to Oregon for Pumpkin Patch. Today we're jumping straight in, guys. I have to fix that power steering leak that we had from the night that we drove Sonoma. So I went and I bought replacement hose, or replacement power steering line. So this actually converts it into AN fittings. Got that from Alan over at Night Garage. New line is on. It's running down. We made it to Kyle's house. New underglow kit. Kyle, too high. Kyle! Alright, while Kyle kind of works on the underglow, I'm going to grab this trans mount. Yo, is the trans fault? Alright, so we're making some brackets for the intercooler. So made some new mounts for, or you guys saw, made the mounts for the intercooler. I also did a block-off plate for the blow-off valve, courtesy of a Mountain Dew can that Brady brought. Thanks, Brady. Okay, and then last but not least, oh. Also, Kyle and I found out that the same remote works for both of ours. So let's see if we could turn his on too. Oh, oh yeah, this is sick. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Next video, we're going to be in Oregon, drifting at Pumpkin Bash. You guys will get to see how the car handled, how it went, everything that happened. So don't forget, like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Peace.